With everyone scrambling to find ways to save energy, HVAC systems are usually at the top of the list. They're the highest consumers of energy in most buildings today. Keeping your HVAC up to date will help optimize output to keep the bills down. It will also keep your workforce healthy and comfortable for maximum productivity. Linking to a modern building automation system will ensure maximum efficiency and minimal maintenance to keep things running smoothly. Leave it to the experts. Call Level 1 today at 248-486-6500 or visit our site to learn more.